Hello, I was here in PE and now I'm going to take the trip further to go to George.
After a visit with family in Gqeberha, I embark on the final stretch back to George.
I'm going to go on the Bloukrans Pass. The road is actually closed and it's not in a very good condition, but it's a very beautiful road. At the moment it's sort of overgrown and there's no maintenance on the road, so I'm going to see how it looks.
Ending a great motorcycle trip is always bittersweet, but luckily one last magical ride awaited me. The Old Bloukrans Pass, like stepping into another world, is a must visit for adventurers and is still in good enough condition for motorbikes. The Old Bloukrans Pass is a historical mountain pass that winds through the dense forests of the Tsitsikamma region near Plettenberg Bay in South Africa's Western Cape. Built in the late 19th century, the pass was once part of the main coastal route connecting Cape Town to Port Elizabeth. Its construction showcased impressive early engineering with sharp hairpin bends, steep gradients and rugged stonework. The pass offers stunning views of the surrounding natural beauty, including towering indigenous trees, lush ferns, and cascading waterfalls. Traveling through the Old Bloukrans Pass immerses visitors in a symphony of sounds, from the rustle of leaves to the songs of birds and the distant rush of the Bloukrans River below.
The smell of the forest is so soothing. It feels like I'm in a different world, an overgrown world. It feels like I'm on this planet after a apocalypse. But it's really beautiful. Put it on your bucket list. Come and ride this pass. It's such a beautiful place.
The air carries the earthly aroma of the forest, mingled with the fresh scent of the sea breeze drifting inland. Sadly, the pass has been closed to vehicular traffic for several years due to structural damage and safety concerns. However, it remains a beloved destination for hikers, cyclists, and adventurers who wish to explore this historic route and soak in its unparalleled tranquility. This is also a must for adventure bikers. Leaving this Jurassic Park behind, I wrapped up the journey and arrived safely in George. What an unforgettable trip.